You mentioned sort of the people who are buying in and the people who aren't. What are the main themes that you're seeing in resistance to serverless adoption, and how do you address those when you're talking with people?
I think the biggest one that we see, well, there's a couple actually, but probably the biggest one is that we just have so much investment already in things that are on-prem, and we have things that are on-prem that they're never going to go away, or it's going to take a long time for them to go away. And so then you've got things like, well, I have some Lambdas out here in the cloud that need to make calls back to these monolithic systems back in a data center somewhere, and it's slow, or it could be slower, or the connection could be down. Why wouldn't we just put that in the data center? So those are the types of, it's one example of the types of pushback that we get.
What's your answer for that?
So the answer to that is, well, the reality is that there's really not that problem in general. We don't see that problem. Quite frankly, the response times of the applications that we're calling into are far slower than the link going from cloud into a data center. So it's a false flag in a sense. So that's one response to it. Another one clearly is that we're moving quickly. We have a lot of things we need to get done in a short amount of time, and we just don't have the infrastructure in place to continuously be spinning up new servers and new VMs and all those kind of things to really keep up with the demand. And so we're willing to make the trade-off of potentially some cloud to on-prem slowness or challenges for the great upside that we get in terms of building stuff quickly and getting it out to market. So that's generally solves that problem when we have those conversations.